Imagine you are in a queue at a railway ticket counter and the person behind you gets served first just because who they are. That sting you feel, right? That's exactly that Article 14 of the Indian Constitution tries to prevent. It says the state shall not deny to any person equality before the law and the equal protection of laws within the territory of India. Two big ideas in one single line. First, equality before law. This means no special privilege, whether you are a prime minister or a common citizen. It comes from the British concept of rule of law by A.V. Dicey. Example, if a celebrity commits a tax fraud, they face the same penalty as everyone else. The law doesn't bend for the status or wealth. Second, equal protection of laws. This is the American idea that treats similar situations similarly but different situations differently if there is a fair reason. Example, a pregnant woman gets extra maternity benefit at work. This is not unequal treatment, it's a special treatment for a valid reason. So the key is the difference in treatment must pass the test of reasonable classification. First, there must be intelligible differentia, a clear logical basis for grouping the people. Next, there must be a rational nexus. That grouping must be done linked to the law's purpose. Okay, the above test was given in this landmark case. Now here's a real life twist. Giving reserved seat to women in buses allowed because the classification is to promote gender equality in a male dominated space. But giving VIPs exemption from traffic rules not allowed because there is no rational link to the public interest. And here's the beauty. Article 14 doesn't promise that everyone will be treated identically. It promises that everyone will be treated fairly because the true equality is not about making everyone wear the same shoes. It's about making sure each person gets a pair that fits.